Hi, I'm Rusty, the founder of Brio Medical here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Come on in, let me show you around. We have a number of wonderful therapies here at Brio. Come on through the door here and I'll take you around. So this here on the left is one of our larger IV rooms. This is a heavy hitter room. We have PIMF in these chairs, which is pulse electromagnetic field therapy. We want to make sure everyone gets a lot of this wonderful therapy. We also have ozone generator here. And we can use ozone in a number of ways. One is we can put it into IV. It can be used rectally, and we have an ozone sauna, which I'll show you in just a minute. We also have UVB, which is short for ultraviolet blood irradiation. And what this does is it actually, as your blood runs through there, it will sterilize by killing bacteria, funguses, and parasites, things like that. So this is a pretty heavy-hitting room here. Come on around and I'll show you here. We have our nurses stationed on the left and the front office here on the right. Behind this wall here is hyperthermia. So this is a solo pod where a patient gets in here, lays in, and this will get raise their body temperature to above 104 degrees. So, which is a very, very therapeutic temperature. Here we have a calmer, quieter IV room because sometimes people just need it to be a little calm for them. All right. So if you're one of those people, we got a room just for you. This is where we make our IVs and do blood draws, blood work, and so forth here. We're Bible-believing Christians here, so for those of you who are like-minded, you'll enjoy the scripture on the wall. This is one of my favorite therapies that we have here. This makes us very unique. You don't find too many of these. This is photobiomodulation. This bed has roughly, I think, about 144,000 LED lights in it. And these are the things that it does. If you can take a look at this here, it's very user-friendly. We'll kick it onto the chronic pain management, and you can see that it does shrink tumor cells and stimulates the immune system here. So patients will lay in here for about 15 minutes. It's pretty bright, but the body will absorb the light in these different frequencies, kind of like how a plant works, and it actually helps overcome disease. Oh, wow, they can do a lot of stuff, but most of our patients are looking for shrinking tumor cells. This is our ozone steam sauna. This is a new therapy. Patients will get in here, and it's not about the heat. That's not the therapy. The therapy is actually that we infuse ozone into the steam. It's a great way of getting high levels of oxygen into the body. It's very, very therapeutic. So patients will sit in here on this white towel, depending on the time, maybe about 20, 30 minutes that they're in here, depending on how much ozone they need. Now, when you get here and you're in this closet, in this cabinet, don't be surprised if there's smudge marks here that look grayish or blackish. That's actually the body or lymph nodes expressing toxins. So it's absolutely fantastic therapy. Now, next to us here is another one of my favorite therapies here. This is pulse electromagnetic field therapy. This is a heavy lifting bed. Now, pulse electromagnetic fields, for those of you who are not familiar with it, this mimics the Earth's magnetic energy. We all live on the Earth, all living creatures and plants. We need the electromagnetic energy of the Earth to thrive. Now, there's a correlation, a one-to-one correlation between how much oxygen is in a cell. This is what the experts are telling us. On a cellular level, if you think of this room as a cell, if I just started throwing bags of trash in here, eventually the room would be uninhabitable. If you think about that on a cellular level, that's what's happening with toxins. One of the important things here at Brio Medical is who we are. I know you're shopping for a clinic in which you can believe in, and here's who we are. Before we became a clinic, we're patient advocates. My mom's a stage 4 cancer survivor. I watched her live 12 extra years when no conventional doctor thought she would live 12 weeks. It was absolutely amazing. And so everyone that comes here to Brio Medical, we're looking for you to have that kind of success story. And you're going to find some and meet some of the most amazing people here at Brio. The Lord has blessed us. We want to shower the Lord's love on you. I think you're going to have a great experience. So God bless each and every one of you. Look forward to meeting you.